Download the Alteon VA appliance. Obtain the Alteon VA virtual appliance from Radware's website or your licensed distributor. Verify ESXi compatibility. Ensure the ESXi version is compatible with the Alteon version. Refer to the Radware compatibility matrix for details. Allocate resources. Ensure adequate resources, CPU, memory, storage for the Alteon VA. Common requirements: CPU, minimum 2 cores. RAM, 4 to 8 GB. Storage, at least 16 GB. Log into the vSphere client, deploy the OVA file. Then go to Data Center and deploy. OVF template chose OVA image file and set a name, the VM. Then next. Accept and next. Then select Storage LUN. You want store the VM and select Virtual Disk Format, then Provision. Then Next. Then select your management network and client and server network. Then click Next, check your final configuration. If OK, then click Finish. After that, need to time deploy the VM. Now ready the VM. If change or check information, you need to go Edit and check it, then power on the VM. After power on, we need to open console and following me for other configuration. Default password is admin. After that, we need to change new password and confirm it. Then management configuration. Management IP Gateway, SSH Enable, HTTPS Enable, and other management level configuration done. Those commands share by description. Please check after that. We check ping again and ping working. Then we are login LB via management IP.